Welcome to the Positional Trading Review for the month of August 2021. This video is to review the positional trades taken during the month of August 2021. We generally share our positional trading plan and trading levels at the start of every month, that is, every new monthly expiry contracts. And this video is to review how those trades panned out at the end of the month. As you all know, we generally trade on only 8 stocks, which is NIFTY, ITC, JSW Steel, LUPIN, Reliance, Sun Pharma, Bharati Airtel and ICICIBANK, and 2 indices, NIFTY and Bank Nifty, every month. We also have automated alerts being triggered whenever we trade. You can subscribe for this service completely free of charge using the link in the description section of this video. Name of the Telegram channel which provides automatic alerts is Positional Alerts. So with that note, let's begin our review for the trades taken during the August 2021. This was the best month of the year so far, and we had taken full advantage of the mad bull run this month. We have already warned you about a possibility of mad bull run if Nifty crosses 16,000, and that is exactly what had happened last month. So let's start our review with indices first. First is Nifty. Long entry on Nifty was triggered on the first week of August with strong bullish move and a perfect entry. The trade moved steadily and it hit all 3 targets smoothly. It was a clean picture perfect trade. Next on the list is Bank Nifty. It deviated from Nifty this month. Long entry on Bank Nifty was triggered on the first week of August with strong bullish move and a perfect entry. But after that, price remained range bound and stayed around the entry price for almost the whole month. So we had to exit at cost. Moving on to stocks. First on the list is Bharati Airtel. Long entry on Bharati Airtel was triggered on the first week of August with a strong bullish move and a perfect entry. Trade moved steadily and it hit all 3 targets smoothly. It was a clean picture perfect trade. It gave the second long entry as well and gave 2 targets quickly. This was our best trade of the month. Next on the list is ICICIBANK. This exactly followed Bank Nifty this month. Long entry was triggered on the first week of August with strong bullish move and a good entry. But after that, price remained range bound and stayed around the entry price for almost the whole month. So we had to exit near cost and booked a small loss in this trade. Next on the list is NIFTY. Long entry was triggered on the first week of August with a perfect entry. The trade moved steadily and it hit all 3 targets smoothly. It was a clean trade. It gave the second long entry as well and gave the first target quickly, but we couldn't take the second trade due to other priorities. Next on the list is ITC. Price gave entry on the long side at the start of the month and almost gave all 3 targets. Target 3 was missed by 50 paisa and our trailing stop loss was hit at target 2. This was another good trade for the month. Next on the list is JSW Steel. Short entry was triggered at the last week of the month and it gave all 3 targets on the same day itself. Since this was the last week of expiry and there was a gap down close to our entry price, we didn't take this trade. We missed a huge profit here. Next on the list is LUPIN. This was one of our best trade of the year. Price gave entry on the long side at the start of the month and it gave all 3 targets smoothly. Exactly after hitting our target 3, which is our resistance area, it reversed and it started dropping. It gave short side entry on the second week of August and gave all 3 targets on the very next day. It gave the second short side entry immediately and gave 2 targets quickly as well. This was a jackpot trade and definitely one of the best trade for this year. Never miss these kind of simple and superb trades. Next one is Reliance. Price gave entry on the long side at the first week of August and gave the first target quickly. It went midway to target 2 and then it started dropping, so we had to exit at target 1 with small profits. Price then started dropping for the next couple of days towards our entry and then it bounced back. We have seen huge selling pressure on Reliance, so we didn't take the re-entry. But price broke through and it gave all 3 targets on the long side. It was a good trade, but the whipsaw made us exit with a small profit. Last one on the list is Sun Pharma. Price just shot up like a rocket on July 30th and gave all three targets on the long side within a couple of hours. But unfortunately, there wasn't a pullback entry and hence we couldn't take the first long trade. Price then shot up further and gave the second long side trade on the same day as well, which we could enter. It gave almost all three targets on the second trade. Since 800 was the OI resistance area, we exited with 40-point profit. This was another good trade for the month. This was the best month of the year so far, and we had taken full advantage of the mad bull run this month. Hope you have traded on some of these instruments and made some profits. Please share your experience or feedback with us if you have taken any of these trades. If you have any queries or clarifications on taking positional trades, feel free to ask in the comment section. Now, are you ready for trading using the September month levels? We have already shared the trading levels for the month of September in our Market Secrets and Positional Alerts channels. To get automatic alerts whenever a positional trades are triggered based on our levels, you can join our Positional Alerts Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the channel in the description section of this video. Do you want to learn how to use the monthly levels file? Then check out our video on positional trading using monthly levels file. I'll leave the link to the video in the description section of this video. You can use our level strategy along with basic technical analysis to mint money in positional trading. Do you want to learn how to generate these levels and need full-fledged training on intraday trading, swing trading, positional trading, and options trading? Then you can consider joining our Professional Traders Program, otherwise called as PTP. I'll leave the link to our training program details in the description section of this video. Also, if you want to trade on stocks other than the 8 stocks shared in our channel, then you can use our monthly levels file in our website, which has trading levels for all the F&O stocks. I'll leave the link to our website in the description section of this video. For any queries, you can reach us anytime through WhatsApp or Telegram. Our contact details are available in our website. Finally, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope it was useful. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.